if you don't understand certain things. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse 43, and Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 7, Allah says that if you do not know, ask the person who possesses the message. Ask the person who possesses the knowledge. If the Quran speaks about science, who will you go and ask? Will you ask the barber? You will ask a scientist, because a scientist is an expert in the field of science. Similarly, if the Quran speaks about medicine, who will you ask? But naturally, you'll ask a doctor, because a doctor is an alim, he's an expert in the field of medicine. Similarly, if you want to know something about Nuzul al-Quran, who will you ask? You will ask an alim who has gone to Darul Ulum, a person who's expert about the Nuzul al-Quran. So depending upon what field you want to know, you have to ask an expert in that field.